Alright, guys. I don't know if this is live now. Okay. All right, guys. Today I want to review this new product that is going live in a few hours from now. So it's a viral arts and crafts video shorts that comes with PLR rights, that is unrestricted usage rights that you can actually use any way you like. You can sell it as you can buy it. Once you buy it, you can sell it. You can edit these videos. You can repurpose them, and you can even rebrand them. You can even add your logo to it, add your brand name to it, add your social profile name to it, and then you can start publishing it across your social media platform. You can post them on TikTok, post them on Facebook Reels, on YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Stories. All the social platforms that allow you to post short videos. You can, post these arts and crafts video shorts. They are actually amazing videos that you can post on your platform. Just post them. You just need to post one, post second one. You can post them every single day, one day at a time. That's 365 video shorts on arts and crafts, like maybe how to make let me see, how to make all these, craft works. I think there are some samples on the page here. You can see. Here are samples of them. You can see. They are so high resolution. They are well made, professionally made. I think let me see. Okay, yeah, this is an example here. So I want to see if I can actually play one for you to see. I want to see if I can play one. Well, you can actually click on the link under this video. It's going to bring you right here on this page, and then you'll be able to download this. You can see arts and crafts videos. So this kind of videos, they actually go viral, and they will make your social media accounts, viral as well. Imagine you having millions of views to videos like this, and you get about 1,000 of people also following you on your social media platform. So this is something you can go ahead and then download it. I think it's just less than, I think, about $12 or so, $12. So you'll find a link under this video. Just click on the link. It's going to bring you right here on this page. This is yet to go live. By the time you'll be clicking on this, by the time you'll be seeing this video, it should be live already. So just click on the link under my video here, and then it brings you right to this page right here. Yes, right here. So you can just read through it. You're going to get instant access to 365 professionally made viral arts and crafts video shorts. Yes, with 100% unrestricted use rights to sell, to edit, repurpose, and use any way you feel like. On 365 viral video shorts on arts and crafts. So just go ahead and click on the buy button to download these viral video shorts, so you can use them. Just post them on your social media channels, and you can customize them, add your branding, add your logo, add anything you want to add to it, and then you're good to go to start growing your social media account. And in fact, you can actually sell them as well. If you have your website, or you have you have an account on freelance site like Fiverr, you can also go ahead and list this particular product here, and then you sell unlimited copies of this viral video shorts. So that's just about it, guys. So go ahead, click on the link under this video. It's going to bring you right here. You get 365 professionally ready to use video shorts. So in fact, this is a 1 year content that you can upload every single day, and you grow your social media account. So imagine you have a TikTok account, you have Facebook, you have Instagram, and then you're on YouTube. So you post all these are shorts videos. You just publish them on all the social media accounts, and then your account begins to grow viral. At least I can assure you that at least one of the out of these videos will get you millions of views. So imagine if you're getting millions of views, you automatically add like 1,000 or 2,000 followers on your account. So I'm actually thinking of creating a new account to post like viral videos, all these shorts of videos. I can be posting this kind of videos there, and then I'll be growing my a new content account. So that's just about that. So go ahead, pick up this video, arts and crafts videos. You get full unrestricted use right. That is, you can use it any way you like. And even give it out for free, for bonus. You can sell it as your own. You can sell it for any price. You can use it any way you like. That's why you have full unrestricted private label rights. So you can use it any way you like. So once you go ahead and you pick it up, you get instant access to everything to download them, and you can also go back anytime to download everything entirely. So don't waste time. Go ahead and start and get this arts and crafts viral videos. It's guaranteed to get you traffic and new audience, new visitors to your social media page. And if you have any problem, maybe trying to download it or anything, you can contact their support service. They're going to reach out to you within 24 hours, and you're good to go. They're going to help you on anything you need. So you can see people actually making money with this. 29-old lady makes $22,000 a month from her craft video side also. So that's just it. So go ahead. There are so many ways you can use this viral craft video shots. So you can see it right there on the page. You can use it as newsletters, membership sites, presentation slides, lead magnets, email lists, and you can resell the videos to other PR buyers, bonus bundle, a lot of things. Just go ahead, click on the link under this video, and then you get access to download everything. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you, and bye bye.